everyone, it's your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Today I bring to you this tantalizing sauce to go with your hot rice. If you are new here, please share, like and subscribe to help your girl. So on the table for our sauce, we have the following ingredients. Here I have my chicken. The best chicken for this is broiler, the soft chicken, already washed. I have my flour for coating. This is our green pepper, carrot. Then I have the seasoning for the chicken. I have thyme, I have chicken seasoning, I have what's it called? Onions powder, I have mixed spice, I have garlic, I have curry powder, I have paprika. This is salt, ginger and garlic paste. Then the seasoning for cooking, I have white pepper, curry and mixed spice. I have my groundnut oil here. I have my thick now, which is a cornstarch. This is our spring onions we're using. Then coconut oil, the main ingredients for this our sauce. Our vegetable, I have my red pepper, red bell pepper. I have my yellow bell pepper, onions. I have my soy sauce, sesame oil, and my chicken seasoning. Then of course water. So join me as we do this. First of all, I'm going to marinate the chicken and allow it to rest for some time before we start. So I'm going to pour in all the seasoning here. First, I'm squashing the chicken cube. Then I'm going to add the thyme, curry, paprika. Then I have my garlic, ginger and onion powder. Then of course I'm going to add some salt. Then I use my hand to combine everything. If you try this sauce, you don't want to take tomato stew again. So I'm done now. I'll just cover it to rest for like 30 minutes, 1 hour. But if you have time, you can do it overnight. So I'll allow it to rest while I chop the carrot and the green pepper. It's always good to prep your ingredients before cooking so you conserve some time. And at times you might forget some things you need to use. So when they are all on the table, it helps you a great deal. I've already washed the green pepper. You can see the way I'm slicing, I'm kind of cubing them. I'm going to dice the carrots. If you want to cook more, you can adjust to the quantity. You can adjust the ingredients to the quantity of sauce that you want. So I'm done dicing and I'll wait for our chicken to keep marinating. So after 40 minutes, I came back. I gave it 10 minutes extra for the chicken to marinate. So I'll now coat with the all-purpose flour. But before I coat with the flour, I'll add in some salt so the flour can have some taste. I'll add in some salt. Then some white pepper, mixed spiced curry. So the flour we have tastes when coated in the chicken. I told you the soft chicken is always good for this, not the hard chicken. So I'm done with that. So I'll start coating. So I'm done coating now. I'll turn on the heat and will fry. So the heat is on now. I'll pour in some groundnut oil and fry the coated chicken. I'll fry until golden brown. You can also air fry this if you don't want to use any oil to fry. So you see what we have here now is brown, so I can take them out. I'll just change the cooking pan for the sauce. I'll add in some oil, 2 cooking spoons of oil. I'll just allow the oil to heat up a bit. I'm adding the onions. Allow it to saute for some time, like a minute. I'll allow the ginger in now. It's okay now, so I'll drop in the chicken in the pan. I'll add in my sesame oil, chicken seasoning. You stir very well. I'm adding some white pepper, curry powder, and meat seasoning. I'll add in the coconut milk. Add some water. Then I'll allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. So this is what I have after 5 minutes. You can see it's a bit watery now. So I'll add in the thickener of cornstarch. So I added some water in the cornstarch to dilute it. Then I'll add the soy sauce in the water. See what we have here. And I'll add it to the sauce. Wow, the aroma in this kitchen is something else. When I'm cooking my sauce, it's as if I'm in an Asian restaurant. You can see it's thick now. You can see the thickness now. So I'll go in and add my veg. The carrot will go in first because it takes some time to cook because it's a bit hard. I'll add in the yellow pepper, red pepper, and the green pepper. And I'll add some salt. You can see how colorful this pot is now. So yummy when you taste. I have not tested it, but I know it's going to be because of the face. Just allow it to boil for like 2 minutes so that your veg is not too soft. Wow, this is something else. You can add hot pepper in yours if you want, if you like hot food. I think I'm just going to add in some Cameroon pepper here because I like my food to be a bit hot. So I'll just add in some Cameroon pepper because I want mine to be a bit hot. The salt is okay. Wow. Please, if you have not liked this video, please like for your big sister here because it encourages me to bring in more recipes. Share to your friends, share to your family so that they can go and try theirs. Please. If you have been following me, I just want to say thank you so very much. I appreciate. Let me taste for pepper and salt. Yeah, it's okay. So I'll pour in the spring onions. Stir. Then we are good to go. I don't want to overcook the vegetables, that's why I will not leave it for too long. So it's just too okay now. So I'll turn off my heat and we are good to go. I'll see you with my hot rice. I'm taking mine with my hot rice. You can take it with pasta anyway. The face is so looking good. This is heavenly. Please just go and try yours and thank me later. If you have not liked this video, please keep liking this video now so I can keep sharing recipes with you. So yummy. Please keep liking this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.